ANAK-TV hahu formasaun para estudante sira, oinsa filmajen diak, hodi bele kompete e festival Southeast Asian.
Foi a segunda Grupo Mídia Nacional Serviço Mútuo com Casa Produção Audiovisual facilita formação para estudante Escola Internacional Balum e dililaran konabo oinsa filmagem nebe dia kodbela kompete e festival Southeast Asian e tinanguin. Nune e terçane delegação husi ANAK-TV husi Filipinas sahu fo ona formação para estudante sira. Presidente ANAK-TV Elvira Gohatete ni agradece ba GMN tambal di husi kooperação ho GMN bele facilita ona formação ne hodinune delegação husi ANAK-TV bele fo formação ba estudante sira oinsa bele filmagem nebe dia.
And our video festival, which is called Southeast Asia Video Festival for Children, should always include Timor-Leste as a member. That's why we come all the way here to invite you to be part of it, because we ASEAN should become one as a family. We should become stronger and working together. And I'm so happy Mr. Levi Serrano accepted to be the official board member of the Southeast Asia Video Festival for Children. The objective here is that locally it should be composed of Timor-Leste kids, and the theme for next year, which will be held in Indonesia, is really hear my voice. But we need to understand, where is Timor-Leste? What is happening around Timor-Leste? How does the children feel? Let us hear from the Timor-Leste after a very tragic, historical, civil war that you have. It's about time that Timor-Leste should not be set aside, but rather focus on them. Make the other Southeast Asia country to embrace Timor-Leste as brother and sister. So through the voice, through the workshop of these children, they can tell them, this is us. This is Timor-Leste. We want to be friends with you. We are not your enemy.
Vice-presidente ANAK-TV mos informa formação nemos atuhare estudante sirene criatividade liang no história nebe mak liga ba ASEAN community sahanesan kompetisan ida ba ANAK-TV nebe mak setur seleção ia tiran de honro rono racing hitu hori kompete ia festival Southeast Asian.
We have a 3-day workshop where they will learn about storytelling, the visual techniques, and we will see their outputs tomorrow. And you will be selecting your entries to the competition that ANAK-TV is organizing. So we hope to see the best entries making it to the 2027 Southeast Asia Video Festival for Children. I think the process here is that the schools get to choose the students who will be participating here in the 3-day workshop, and it's not the only time that we will be holding it, but we hope that every year the organizers will be working together to find the best children's storytellers from Timor-Leste, and we hope that through these workshops the young students will be equipped with storytelling skills. Their creativity will be harnessed, and we can see their works. Rather, we can see we can hear their voice and hear their messages through the works that they will produce through this 3-day workshop.
Formação participa os estudantes tolo racing nebe mai husi Escola Internacional tolo ihedili no formação se halau durante lorong tolo hahu si lorong rono racing itu to lorong rono racing sia fulang Lamberto da Silva GMN.